the whole cleaning. We did have some requests just to see how deep it is here. It is currently about from the prop, the bottom of the prop to the mud is about 2.5 feet. I will get that in inches in our notes, and then we were asked how deep we could penetrate the mud at the bulkhead over here, or at the wall, and that's about a half a foot. So again, I'll get that in inches in the video or in the notes. So let's go ahead and check out the hole itself. And here we go.